Good evening, sir.
Very good evening, Mr. Jay. How are you?
Are you getting me fine? And
Yeah,
what about you?
yeah, I'm also fine. What happened yesterday? You postponed your session.
Yes, yes, I have. I had to cancel my session due to some there was so noise here because there was program at my village yesterday. That's why there was nothing but noise.
Did it
That's why
did
that
it continue the whole
that
night?
situation in that situation you couldn't continue your session because there was nothing but noise.
Yeah, obviously, it would have become very difficult for us to continue our session in that kind of atmosphere.
Yes, yes.
So, Mr.
That's why at last moment I had to cancel.
Yeah, no worry about that. So, today's our topic is
Good.
mobile phone.
What?
Yeah, mobile phone.
Okay. It is very nice topic.
Yeah, so tell me, Mr. Jay, how important do you think mobile phone has become for the modern people?
I think so. Today, mobile we should include mobile in our basic necessity. In other words, we can say we should also include it in our constitution, in our basic right. Because today today no one can think even a single things without mobile because now a day we are doing each and every work with the help of mobile. Thanks to mobile we are able to connect to you right now, and we are having conversation with each other. And now due to mobile we are getting closer by we are getting closer our near and dear, and we can speak through Google Meet and so platform are. With the help of that you can converse face to face. That's why I think, and there are so many advantages of mobile.
Yeah, exactly. And I think you are following my advice. Now you are maintaining the pauses. You are not talking
Yes,
continuously.
yes, 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 yes.
That is the
actually
reason.
actually i want actually I want to exalt myself. That's why I am bound to it. I will have to follow you because I am here to improve my
Yeah,
communication,
exactly.
enhance my communication. Only follow you I can do because you have more experience than I, and you have been guiding student last 15 years. That's
Yeah,
why I
exactly.
think so I should follow you.
Yeah, nice, very nice. And Mr. Jay, if imagine that if mobile phones are banned all over the world, so what kind of situation will be there?
I think each and every person will be on road, and each and every person will contest against government. Finally
Seriously.
government will have to, and find I think so finally government will have to go down and allow to run mobile each and every person. That's why I think so it is not possible what you are seeing nowadays, because each and nowadays you can do each and every work with the help of your mobile. Because for example, do you want to send money without taking even a single minute? You can send whenever, which time do you want to. That's why I think so mobile is very important for all of us, and with the help of mobile we can garner so many things related to knowledge, our education. It does not matter in which field we are doing work. According to that we can collect knowledge through mobile. That's why I think so mobile is very important for
Yeah,
each and everyone.
yeah.
That's
Actually,
why.
I also know that no government can take the risk of banning the mobile phone. So I just asked you a hypothetical question. So as you
No,
said that
yes,
there are so many advantages of mobile phones. Now it has become an integral part of everybody's life. In fact, we can't even imagine ourselves without mobile phones. But everything has every coin has two sides. If there are some advantages of mobile phones, then obviously there might be some disadvantages also. So if I ask you about the disadvantages of mobile phones, then what would you like to say?
I am totally agree with you. There are so many disadvantages of mobile. I would like to explain about all these things, but I think so, we should focus on positive thing. But we can't we can't be untouched from it, because there are so many disadvantages due to mobile. So many people are spoiling their time without doing anything. For example, you can take so many people are not doing their work properly. Only they are running their mobile on social media. They are using social media and so many so forth. And by using social media, they try to tarnish other person image, and they keep on running their mobile each and every time. That's why you will find in factory and so many places now each and every person are possessing mobile. That's why due to mobile your production is getting decreased day by day, because whenever any person get a little time, they start running mobile. That's why I think so there are so many disadvantages. And for especially for children, they are not able to know how to use it. That's why they right now most of children get mobile due thanks to their parents. That's why they keep on playing game with the help of mobile. And they are not so mature. That's why they use such site they should not use. That's why I think so there are so many advantages due to mobile. Right now each and every person personal data in your mobile, and so
Yes,
many
exactly.
anchor are available, and they are able to collect your data by hacking your site. That's why I think so there are so many disadvantages as
And
well.
Mr. Jay, do you think that mobile phone is also responsible for the increase of crime rates? Crime rate is increasing day by day in our country. So do you think that the mobile is also playing a part in that?
Yes, yes. It- yeah, you are absolutely right, because it is means of spreading. It is means of spreading rumor. With the help of mobile, you can spread rumor so easily, and so many people come to contact wrong wrong content. That's why they are able to use crime with the help of mobile. For example, you can take with the help of mobile, there are so many people who has command on mobile. They are able to steal your money from your account. They are able to steal your personal information, and this by manipulate your personal information, they are trying to serve their own purpose in the name of you, and you are going to fall in this trap. and and that's why you can be part of great criminal offense. That's why I think so even that crime has been not by you, that crime has not done by you, but other person are able to collect your data with the help of mobile. That's why you can be victim of such kind of activity. That's why, and with the help of mobile you can get so many information that is not useful for our society welfare, but you can find such kind of information on mobile, and by using that technical you can do so many wrong activity that is not useful for our society. For example, if you want to take any kind of information related to, if you want to
Any
if you
crime?
want to be, If you, suppose that if you want to make bomb, if you want to make gun, you can get such kind of technology on mobile.
Yeah, absolutely. I was also going to tell you the same thing that all the videos are available on YouTube. If you want to commit some crime, then first of all, people search on YouTube how to commit that particular crime. Actually, they get the information
And
about that.
how can we escape? How can we escape by doing this kind of crime? They
Yeah,
also they also try to find out solution with the help of YouTube before doing crime,
yeah,
before
exactly.
committing
And
crime.
if I ask you about the family life, okay, so how has the mobile phone affected the family life according to you?
It has, I think it has been affected so badly our our family life, because which time we should spend our family member, we should try to spend that time on mobile. you will you will see around you, as well as your family, most of people whenever they get leisure time they start running mobile. if
Yeah, exactly.
mobile would if mobile had not been there, each and every person would speak each and other and try to understand feeling each other and what problem do you have. But due to mobile, each and every person start running their mobile and they start using chatting so many so forth. That's why they are not investing their time on their family member. That's why I think it is creating gap between family members.
Yeah, earlier what used to happen, all the family members, they used to sit together, they used to share their happiness and sorrows together. They used to dine together, means eat the food together. But nowadays we find that hardly it is happening because every member of the family, he or she is busy using the mobile phone. They are not at all concerned with what is happening in the family. Okay, what are the problems of other family members? Nobody cares about them. Mr. Chair, especially the small children, because I find that in my family there is a girl of 3 to 4 years old, but she has also become addicted to the mobile phone. Okay, every time she demands the mobile phone to see the cartoon. So, according to you, what do you think that what is the effect of mobile phone on small children?
Our small children are getting closer day by day mobile. Even I have 8-year-old child, but she has so educated. Whenever she start
Addicted.
weeping, if we are able to show mobile, she got silent and she started watching cartoon. And she has particular cartoon. If you are going to play another cartoon, then she is not going to stop his her crying. But
Yeah, exactly.
whenever you whenever you run that cartoon, what he has been watching for 2 or 3 months, she got silent. Even as she is only 8 months old. That's why you can understand the importance of mobile even for children. They are getting they are getting educated of mobile day by day, and I think we are responsible for all these things, because right now they are not able to know about mobile, but we want to, and we are unable to discharge our duty properly. We should try to adapt other way to make our children stop if they are they are weeping. But what we do, we have easy solution. That's why you know very well most of people try to adapt easy solution.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's why our children are that's why our children are getting educated of mobile. And you know very well, if you are doing anything again and again, that will be part of your habit. And habit is second nature. You can change everything but not their habit. That's why it is good getting difficult day by day to our children to make distance from mobile.
And do you think that mobile affects them psychologically also? Does it have a psychological effect also on small children?
Yes, because due to that they have become addicted of mobile. That's why they are not focusing on their study. Whenever they get time, they start running mobile by avoiding their parent. Whenever they saw our parents are not available at home and mobile is at home, they start running mobile. That's why you can say that they are, and if they are in the habit of watching wrong content, they
Exactly.
are going to affect that content, and that is not good for their health as well as their mental.
Yeah, absolutely right. And many people believe that if mobile tower is there in their locality, then it creates the pollution and it causes so many serious diseases also. So do you also believe the same thing? That does the mobile tower cause many serious diseases?
Yes, I am a student of technical field. That's why I can understand value of it. We, with the help of it, we are creating a space. We are creating a space pollution, because due to 3G 4G we are able to disturbance our space. That's why I think so it is affecting our environment, and it is not good for our health.
It is affecting. You said affecting. You should say affecting
Yes sir,
because affect
affecting
is the
affecting.
word. Yeah. And how do you see the future of the mobile phone? Because day by day we find the upgraded versions of the mobiles. Earlier, mobile phone was used just for having a talk and sending SMS. But today we find
we
that
think
there are so many uses of mobile phones. So, what will be the future
we
of
think
mobile phones?
we think so the future of mobile phone is very bright, and we are going to totally depend on mobile very soon, and day by day we are moving forward that direction. That's why there is no doubt of it. We are going to dire effect of mobile, and mobile is going to play very important our life. And I think so in forthcoming time we'll have to do each and everything with the help of mobile. And most of places, what will you get, you'll have to do your work at home. From now most of people are doing such work from home due to corona. That's why I think so mobile is going to replace each and everything. Due to mobile, right now we are replacing, even most of people don't watch TV, radio as well as watch, are going to obsolete part of our life. Sometimes ago it used to very important for all of us, but right now what is situation of bad things. That's why I think so the future of mobile is very bright, and with the help of mobile we will be able to do each and everything. That's why I think so dependency of mobile is going to decrease day by day.
And some people are of the view that students should not be allowed to use the mobile phones. So, what do you feel about it?
I think I think so there are, we should educate our children which way we should use mobile, because
Yeah,
I have
exactly.
already told you there are so many advantage of mobile, but each and everything depend on it which way we are going to use it. That's why it is our responsibility. We should make our children aware to how to use how to use mobile. If we are going to use it properly, then we can get more and more advantage and it is very important for our children. Because with the help today, i I watched a video on YouTube. A girl, a girl which belonged to Bihar,
A girl
she
who
got
belong to,
DSP.
girl who belong to. Actually, which is used for
Yes, yes,
a
belong to.
non who belong to.
Yes,
A girl
yes, she belonged to Bihar, and
who,
due to mobile she is able to crack BPSC exam, and you must have idea about BPSC. It is not child play, each and everyone cannot do these things. That's why I think so. Mobile is very important for all of us, but everything depend on us which way we are using. That's why we should, in our school we should have one class how to use our mobile, and we should
yeah,
educate
exactly.
our children,
We
because
must give them training as to how
i
to
have
utilize.
I have already told you. Yes, yes sir, you can carry on.
Yes, yes, I completely agree with you. As you told that there are some disadvantages also, and there are many advantages also. So we should tell the students about its advantages and disadvantages so that they will use it only for the good purposes and they'll not use it for the bad ones. So, Mr. Jay, here we have come to the end of today's session. So, did you find any change today? Because today you changed your style of speaking.
Actually, I have changed by following your advice.
Yeah,
It
exactly.
is totally totally due to you. I what I did today.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
why I thank to you. I
yeah,
can
yeah,
say thank to you. And
yeah.
I
Well,
want to improve my communication. That's why I will have to follow you. That's
and
why am very I am in the brink of completing my session. But once again, I am going to increase my session for 1 month,
yeah,
because
absolutely.
I
And
think so the way of your teaching is absolutely different than other. That's why I have been very impressed for you, which time I having having conversation with you.
yeah, exactly. And today I found so many positive changes. Okay, very less mistakes you have committed. So just carry on this. Okay. So have a good night, Mr. Jain.
Good, good night sir, thank you.